Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up full detection on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the Advanced Features and tap on SOS. Switch the toggle on to the right of when hard fall detected. You will need to use your phone for the next part. This permissions page will automatically open on your phone. Tap Continue and then tap Agree. You now need to add an emergency contact. You can select someone from your contacts or create a new contact. Select them from your contacts or fill in their contact details and tap Save. You now need to select someone to call after your emergency SOS messages have been sent. Pick someone and then tap Save. You can add people to send SOS messages to by tapping on Send Messages To and then tapping Add and choosing someone to add. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.